So hey everybody, hope you're well. Thank you for joining me on this video. The day has finally come where I get to do a Microsoft MVP award unboxing video. Who'd have thought that, eh? So yeah, literally had the award delivered by FedEx no more than 15 minutes ago, and I thought I'll do a reaction and unboxing video for you guys so you can see what it's like to unbox one of these awards, and obviously we'll talk you through and see what we actually get in the MVP award kit. So let's jump over to my other little alternative camera setup. So here we go. Here we have it. We have the box. The MVP kit is written on the side. I've just taken a knife to the side of the box so that I don't do myself any damage on camera. So let's have a little look inside. So there we go, our first glimpse. And I'm looking over at the camera as I'm opening the box to see what's there. So we've got a nice shiny MVP Microsoft Award 2021. Let's get it out of this cardboard box and see what that looks like then. So throw that down there straight away. There we go. We're presented with the 2021 Most Valuable Professional Award. Quite a nice little cardboard box there. Quite a bit of weight to it with whatever's in there. Got my name written on the side of the box there, and just a blank box, blank bottom, I should say. So there we go. There is the award kit. Let's place it down and let's open it up, I think. If I can. Okay, so on opening up the box, we get thank you, and there is the award plaque. So if I hold that up there to the camera, it says MVP John Lunn, awarded August the 1st, 2021. So that's the first thing you see. So we see the thank you and the award plaque. We take that out and place that to one side. We then see congratulations, like a cardboard overlay. Oh, we can see it along the front there. Missed that. We've got a nice little MVP lapel pin badge there, and the MVP card, little ID card there on the front of the cardboard box. And I think if we pull that up, it's quite neat. We've then got another box, a box within a box. So can we take this box out? And it's like held in by a bit of foam. Is that what it is? So we've got a box within a box, and there's a bit of weight to that, so I'm guessing that's where the award is. And then at the bottom we've got this important information enclosed. Please open and read immediately. I think I best read that immediately, as that's what it's been told I need to do. So if I put this box down there, I'll take that lapel badge and the ID card off in a little second. Let's just place this little box over there out the way a second. Let's see what we get in this. If there's anything I can't read out, then obviously I won't read it out, but let's just see what we get. Oh, we've got some. Everybody loves a sticker. Whole sheet of MVP stickers. Note to receiver. Yeah, that's just if the package is lost. And we've got a code of conduct. So I won't read this out. It's just the MVP code of conduct, what it means that you have to kind of adhere to from Microsoft's point of view. It's everything you'd expect, but basically the crux of it for me is being respectful and aware of people's differing views in technology, and just to keep everything respectful, and don't bring the program into any form of disrepute. So hopefully I do that. I like to have a little bit of a joke, tongue-in-cheek joke now and again, but hopefully I don't go and overcross those boundaries. Right, we've got a nice dark blue cardboard box. I'm taking the top off, and inside, there it is. If I lift that up, we've got a silica gel pack to keep the moisture out. There is the award. Very nice indeed. And it says, we recognise and value your exceptional contributions to technical communities worldwide. And in here we've also got a little disc which says 2021, which was obviously the year that I've had it awarded to me for the first time. So if I put that disc down, let's see if I can get this out of here. So again, it's a nice package up with lots of foam protection and a little bit of a cardboard backing there. So there we have it. There is the award. which, by the way, I'm hugely grateful for. I should have probably started off my video by saying that. You know, I just dove straight in, so excited that I got the box. I want to open it up and see what's in there. You know, to receive this award, I'm still in a bit of a state of shock and disbelief. I do feel truly honoured to be recognised in this way by Microsoft. You know, obviously it comes with so many thanks, as those that have seen my Twitter feed and my LinkedIn post. You know, I'm truly humbled by the amount of people that I've had support with over the last year, 18 months, to get to this point. You know, it's crazy, to be honest, how fantastic everybody in the community actually is, and what they've done and helped me with over that last year, 18 months. I'm absolutely here to give that back. Getting this award, you know, it's slightly materialistic, but at the same time, it's so well appreciated. You know, I feel that the journey I've been on myself over the last year, 18 months, has been one of fun, inclusion. I've met so many wonderful people. You all know who you are, and you know what you've done for me and what you've helped me with and what you've guided me with. Thank you all for that. And I just hope that I can help anybody else out in any way that they feel that I can. So I know I've spoken with some fantastic people across the community since announcing that I was given this award. And I do truly hope that I can continue to go on helping other people. And like I say, if there's anything you feel I can help you with, please do reach out. I'm absolutely about that. So yes, thank you everybody. Thank you for everybody's continued support and words of congratulations. You know, obviously there's so many fantastic people out there, existing MVPs, people that have renewed or been given the award for the first time, like myself. You're doing a huge thing for the community, and obviously, you know, all I can say is thank you for nominating me as one of the deserving people that gets this award. If I can just take the reflection off the award there. So there we have it. There's my unboxing of the MVP awards. Thank you everybody again. I'm going to call it there, and I'm going to end the video. But no, thank you so much for tuning in, and please do reach out and say hello if you need to. Until next time, I'm John Lunn, aka Johnny Chips, and that's my MVP award.